Enjoy more swivel and less struggle with Nimble from Electrolux. Nimble's swivel action system maneuvers around furniture with ease. The powerful cyclonic system never loses suction. And the easy-to-clean washable HEPA filter helps maintain peak performance. Move easily from carpet to bare floors using the Carpet Bare Floor Selector right at your fingertips. Push the button to free the quick-release wand, extending your reach by 14 feet to clean high and low and get stairs spotless. And the simple 3-in-1 Versatool vacuum stairs, corners, and crevices. Experience more swivel and less struggle with Nimble from Electrolux.